Thank you for joining for another episode at Investing with All I See is W. Today, I wanted to make this video to share with you my ideas on these two companies I feel will add value to your investment portfolio. But first, before I begin, I'd like to inform you that the information I will be sharing with you today should be taken as guidance information only. And anytime when you make an investment in a company, stock, or like a mutual fund, please do your own research. Okay, but the goal here is, my goal is to make money for everyone. Okay, let's gain on the positive proceeds. Now let's get started with ticker number one. So ticker number one is a company by the name of Vaxart. The ticker name is VXRT. Okay, so this company is in the Operation Warp Speed, one of the companies that is supporting the COVID-19 pandemic. And now this company has a potential solution. Now the difference with this company compared to like other companies like Moderna, Inovio, Novavax is that this company has created, medication that you take orally instead of injecting a vaccine in your body. Now it's great to hear that there's Operation Warp Speed support, because if or when this company shows positive preclinical trials results, then that means it can be positioned to get into phase one clinical trials. And from what we know, the CEO actually spoke up today and informed, the public that, given its current funding, not funding, but given its current amount of money that it has, about 150 million, its main focus now is to keep a laser sharp focus on getting its COVID-19 product from preclinical trials to go into phase one clinical trials with actual human patients. Okay, now let's look at the financials here. Now currently the share price, in the aftermarket, it's actually hovering in the double-digit range, where it's gone up by $1.18 per share. Wow, that's amazing. Now what's causing this to happen? I believe it all has to do with market sentiment, right? Just news data releasing, anytime during this month, along with the next few months. But this is looking very good for, VXRT. Let's look at the day chart here. It started off close to $10 and it ended at low nines, so it dropped about $1. Let's look at the 5-day trend chart. Okay, so it started here at 994. Nothing new there. It had a slow gradual increase here, and it took a dip here. Okay, and what we know is, in the prior 2 weeks ago, we had that, lawsuit, court case and all that. But let's be mindful that anytime when a company has like lawsuits put on them, it just means that the company is getting bigger and there will be lawsuits that will come. Think of Inovio Pharmaceuticals, right? As you get bigger, there will be haters that will try to come and try to make some money off of you for whatever incentive. All right, now let's go to the 1 month chart. Okay, so back in July, not too long ago, like 3 weeks ago, it was hovering at $17 as the resistance. Now it's dropped down to $9, so that's like close to like 45% drop right there. So if you were to park your money there and consider this company to take off, then it can go back to its original resistance dates, if not even further. We can look at different sources later to see what's the price targets from financial analysts. Okay, now let's look at the 6 month chart. Okay, at one point in time, well, same scenario here. It reached up to like close to the $17, and then it's hovering back down now. The volume has decreased, but look at when it shot up. Look at the volume here. It went up by a lot. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down here, and let's look at competitors. We have iBio, CODX, INO, HTPX, VBIV as competitors. Now I wanted to look at recommendation trends. We don't have anything here, but let's look at the price target. Currently it's set to $9 with an average of $11.67. So as a day trader, there you go. That's the data you want to look at. As a long-term investor, look at this high price target here. That's amazing. Okay, and the fact that this company is based in, South San Francisco with an employee size of 14, I foresee this company to continue growing once it gets into the phase one clinical trials, because how can you manage your company with just 14 employees? So expect more, job postings, and when there's more people, resources, and capabilities, the share price will likely go up, in my opinion. All right, now let's go over to Webull. I like looking at Webull because it gives me good insight on just the technical data, news release, and just financial analysts. What are Webull financial analysts saying? Okay, so nothing new here. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down. But according to Webull financial analysts, there are 3 analysts that are recommending a buy for this company. That's amazing. Now let's look at the price target here. Current price is set at $9 with an average of $11.67 with the high estimate of $22. So there you go. If you just base your analysis on, Webull's financial analysts, look, this company is considered undervalued right now. Okay, so I'll let you go ahead and make your own strategic decision on this ticker. But I feel like overall, if you park your money in a company like VXRT, given like less than 15 employees, I'm sure that this company will take off, knowing that this company is also based in San Francisco, and we all know, like in San Francisco, companies just implement very fast and processes get done very fast. All right, now I wanted to share with you ticker number 2. Okay, so I've been monitoring this company for many years now, and I've also wanted to make an investment like at about a month ago, but unfortunately I didn't. And during that time, the share price was hovering at around like $8-9, and now current share price is $20. So I just kind of pulled this out from my long list, and I wanted to share this with you because this is a company that I feel like will continue to grow because it has a great business in place. This company is a surgical company with 127 different subsidiaries, where it's broken up into 3 sectors. You have like the ophthalmology sector, you have ancillary sector, and you also have like surgical centers for like your GI tract and so forth. So it's broken up into 3 different divisions where it's to support surgery for non-emergency use. So it takes away the pressure from the hospitals, and patients are able to get direct surgeries without having to go to hospitals. So this is a potential breakthrough company that can really add value to the advancement of mankind with health and living longer lives. Now the current share price is set at $20.19, right? Today it shot up by 4.56%. But about a month ago, like when we start looking at July 7th up through now, August 6th, it shot up by 100% from where we are today compared to where we were like about a month ago. All right. Now from a day trading perspective, I would kind of hold off on this because currently the share price is quite high. However, if you're trying to consider going long-term investment, this company may continue to go up and trend upward. But currently, I feel like it's a good company to monitor. Let's say if this company were to dip down like by 40%, parking your money there, you can capitalize on that. And let's look at the chart events. Here it's showing bullish patterns, and from a short-term perspective, it's looking bullish. Mid-term perspective and long-term perspective, it's looking bullish. Okay. Now let's look at what our financial analysts on Yahoo are saying. Okay, there's only one financial analyst rating as a sell out of a total of 9 analysts recommending in August. Now of the 9, there's 2 for strong buy, 2 for buy, and 4 for hold. So there you go. It's looking promising. And then average price target is $18.50 with a high of 23. All right. Now going over to Webull here, we're looking at the same data. All right. And here, according to Webull, 6 financial analysts are recommending a buy. Of the 6 analysts, 0 have recommended a sell or underperform. Okay. Now looking at the analyst price target, the anomaly is that the current high price is set to 23, and the current price is 20. So you have $3 to capitalize there. If you're like a day trader, or if you're a long-term investor, you can just close your eyes, put your money there, and look at it in the long run. But overall, these are the 2 tickers I wanted to share with you. That's SGRY and VXRT. All right, and VXRT has taken a big hit. About like close to 50% discount, and SGRY, it took a 50% discount when it dropped down to $10 and then went back up to 20. So right now there's some risk involved if you were to invest now, but continue to monitor, and anytime when you see this kind of volatile company go down, you can park your money there. All right. Well, with VXRT, that's a different story. I'm sure a lot of people are looking at this company right now in the aftermarket with the news hype going on, but I foresee it to take an upward trend moving forward. Okay? Once again, thank you for watching another episode at Investing with All I See Is W. Thank you.